Hi, I'm Ariel. Let's talk about 5 prospecting tips that really work. So, the first one is show excitement. Make sure that it's genuine and it's really working. And as someone says, tell your face that you're excited to make sure that excitement really shows. And because in that excitement, we want to be truly authentic. People can tell if you're not being authentic, if you're not being excited, if you're not excited with it. So John and Nadia Melton suggest using voice messages on all social medias. Just about now has that as an option. So if you use the voice message, you just come through as being much more connecting and real, and you can just easily talk to the person, which as if you have known for years. So, and you're not selling, you're just using tonality that's really friendly and you're showing passion. So it shows you're likable and very worth connecting with. So that's tip number one. Tip number two is cut to the chase. People don't like waiting around thinking, what are they trying to say? Where are they getting to? Because it makes them nervous and they feel like they're on the verge of being pitched. So be really specific. What are you there for? Can you determine their interest levels? Does it sound like something that they're ready to step into? And the third one is create relationships. And those relationships also mean your team. Make sure you have this relationship that works with every members of your team, with also your customers, because the reality is you're in this for the long haul. You could have these customers and your teammates for the rest of your life. So what kind of energy do you want to set up? What kind of culture do you want? And you want it relationship worthy. We do care about each other. We work well together. How can we help each other? So that's number three. Number four, John Maxwell said this one, which is ideas get better with error. And we don't like that, right? Because we want everything to go so much easier and it works well, and we don't like the idea, I didn't do this well. But the reality is, the more we try things out and they don't work, it gets us closer to what will be working. So John Maxwell said, do loads of reflection and then correction. So it might not work, but you can figure out how to make it work. So if it doesn't work, get rid of it and just try something else. It's nothing about, oh, I failed. It's not that at all. It's about, let's figure out what works and how we relate. Okay, number five is some people say you have to love what you do. But for me, I'm learning it's to love the opportunity. And it's the opportunity to build a life of future health and success. So, while we might not like the daily actions and it feels boring and it gets to be kind of drudgery, the reality is that we're doing these pieces because we love the potential. We love the opportunity of what might be. So, fall in love with the process. I think we've all heard that, right? Fall in love with the process because it's the process that's going to get us where we want to be. So, here is a bonus tip. Use the system that your company has. It's already been tried, it's already proven that it works. So use that system and don't question it. I know that's hard for some of us, but don't question it. Just jump in. Keep it simple. Make it duplicatable. Otherwise, you know what happens? You can't grow foundational success. Not only will it not be sustainable, but it has nowhere to go. It can't build and become what you really want it to. So use the system, be duplicatable. And there you go, 5 tips plus one extra bonus tip. So thanks everyone for watching this. And in case you didn't know this, I am part of an amazing team where we get free training to learn how to be successful online. There's a place for you if you're interested. Let's talk. Enjoy this day. It is so full of possible.